Welcome. Today we're using Tableau to visualize the CalEnviroScreen 4.0 dataset. As a data scientist, our goal is to identify communities where pollution overlaps with social vulnerability. So first, connect to your CSV file using the text file option in Tableau. We've already performed our sanity checks in Python to ensure we have 8,035 unique records, one for every census tract in California. As you can see, this data has high granularity. Each row has many attributes such as total population, zip code, and the CES 4.0 score. Now we are going to save this as map CalEnviroScreen. And then save. Then we click on the sheet and rename it as a map. In the data pane, since we have the longitude and the latitude, we're going to drag the longitude into columns and the latitude into rows. As you can see, we only get one dot. So to fix this issue, we go to the Analysis menu and uncheck Aggregate Measure. You should now see thousands of data points across the state. Now go to the Map menu and select the background maps, then Streets. This adds real-world context like highways and industrial zone. Next, drag the CES 4.0 score onto color mark to make the hotspot pop. Then click Color, select Edit, Colors, and choose the red-blue diverging palette. And then check Reverse box so that the high-burden communities appear in creating an immediate visual hierarchy environment risk. Then right-click on CES 4.0 score, go to the measure and change it to average. So then to make the map interactive, track zip code to the tooltip card so every point is identifiable. Next, drag approximate location to the tooltip card and then drag it to the filter shelf. So right-click the filter, click Shelf Filter, and set it to single value. As you can see, if we click Anaheim, we find the CES 4.0 score is 62.78, which is pretty high. So this allows your users to instantly search for any city in California without scrolling through a long list. Let's see another community. So let's click So another one. So here it's Long Beach. Let's go to all to return back to the all dots. Final adjustments. So you can also adjust the size of the dots. You can also change the marks to triangle or squares. Or just leave them as a circles. You can also change the halo to darker gray. To make the dots more visible. This is the the first sheet representing a map for California environment. As you can see, this is our first sheet for our dashboard. So happy analyzing and see you next video.